welcome to Wendy Shutter Life. Coming to you guys with another video today. We're sitting in front of IKEA waiting for them to open. Just came down here to do some well, not really shopping, just came down here to get a pick up a dresser for my daughter. She needs a dresser for her room, so we came down here to pick that up before the snowstorm starts. So I guess you guys know that it's going to be snowing across the region today, and I do not want to get caught in this storm. That's why we came out really early, so we could get in and get out and head back home. So I probably won't show too much footage inside IKEA, only because I did videos on IKEA before, so there's no sense in me keep showing footage of IKEA. So you'll probably see just a little bit, but I'm just taking y'all on this journey with me today. So I'll see you guys in IKEA. Oh, that's pretty. Got me out early in the morning, y'all. This actually wasn't pretty. I like that. Why do I still got my hood on? Ooh. We're just walking in circles. She got me walking in circles. Oh, that's nice though. Stay tuned, guys. Huh? I like this vanity. This vanity is vanity. Okay, got this set up. That's nice.
See a coworker or IKEA family kiosk to sign up today.
How they got that set up. Oh, that's cute. That's cute. Guys, it's crazy out here. Oh my god. So apparently it started snowing a little earlier than what people expected. So now people was out in this market like acting crazy. People getting into accidents trying to fight over parking spaces. They out here arguing and everything. I told my daughter to hurry up and get out this market. It's crazy. It's so crazy out here right now. It's crazy. Oh my gosh. Like the parking lot don't have any parking space. I had to park in front of the loading part of the market where they load. There's no parking space. I told her to get in and out. Jesus. I'm not gonna be out here arguing with nobody over no parking space. Not me. Not today. I don't know if you guys can see. Wait a minute. So guys, the snow is coming down and I'm ready to get back in this house. Like, it's coming down now. Like, as y'all can see, it's coming down. So I'm trying to get in the house. Coming down. Just show you that in the morning with the snow 2 days in a row. Supposed to get over 12 inches, y'all. I'm just sitting here, chilling, watching TV. Got my little fireplace on and just trying to make the best of this. We about to get snowed in 12 to 14 inches, y'all. I cannot believe it. So I got nice and comfy. I'm about to sit here and watch TV. I took my shower. I can't believe we about to have 12 to 14 inches of snow, y'all. Me and my daughter went out early this morning. We went to IKEA. I went to IKEA with her so she could pick up her a couple of items from there. Then we end up going to the market coming from IKEA. They was out there showing out, child, in front of the market, fussing over parking spaces and stuff like that. It was just a mess today. Because, you know, once the news say it's going to snow, and then on top of that saying 12 to 14 inches, people start going crazy. Charlie was out there arguing everything over parking spaces, hitting people's cars in the parking lot. It was crazy. It's just been a real hectic day today, and the snow has already come down. People out there trying to shovel that snow now. I'm going to wait until early in the morning because after this snowstorm, we're going to have another one tomorrow morning. So altogether, they say we're going to get about 12 to 14 inches. So I ain't trying to have no heart attack trying to help my son shovel snow. You know what I'm saying? So I'm going to sit down and I'm going to relax. And I'm not going to let him have no heart attack trying to shovel snow either because, you know, you hear a lot of stories. Sometimes people have heart attacks trying to shovel that heavy snow. So, yeah, we're going to sit our butts down until tomorrow morning. And if I'm able, I'll go out there and help him get some of that snow up. But until then, I'm going to relax. I'm going to sit down and drink me a cup of tea and watch some TV. I'm trying to see. Ooh, the scarf is tight. Oh, my gosh. I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to eat. Not eat, but I did need some water. I should drink some water. I was going to make me some tea, but I think that tea had me up tonight. I have some, let me show you the tea I got, y'all. What is this? The turmeric tea? With the ginger. It's like, I don't think it'll have me up though, because I don't think it had no caffeine in it. So I'll probably drink me a cup of that and then drink some water behind it. So guys, I guess I'm going to leave my vlog here and finish relaxing and call it a night, I guess. So make sure you guys like and comment down below and also share my video. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.